aware that the time you upload your videos on YouTube could be one of the reasons why your videos have not been getting views and why your channel have not been getting subscribers? Now in this video, I am going to show you the right time to upload your videos so that your videos can start getting enough views and watch hours. There are two things that can make a video go viral on YouTube. Number one is a particular setting on your YouTube, and then the time of upload. Now take a look at this setting on your YouTube. So many of you don't know this. As a small YouTuber without subscribers, you see this particular settings here on your YouTube studio dashboard. Please, whenever you want to post your video, make sure that it's off. Don't turn it on. Now let's read this particular settings together. It says publish your subscription field and notify subscribers. You don't have subscribers and you are telling YouTube to publish this to your YouTube or your subscribers field and tell them that you have published a video. If you know that you're a small YouTuber without enough subscribers, please, whenever you want to post your video, make sure that this is off. Now you can always leave it on when you now have enough subscribers or you have enough community that yes, if you publish your video, once they notify them, they will just come and watch your video. The reason why you need to leave this thing off is that so that YouTube by themselves will distribute your videos to other people for them to come and watch. That is, they will take it to other people because they know, okay, now you are telling YouTube that you don't have subscribers. Please, if you know you're a small YouTuber, do not turn this thing on before publishing your video. I hope you understand. This setting can make your videos to go viral, and these settings can also kill the reach of your video. Now with that being said, let me show you the right time to upload your videos here on YouTube so that your videos will start having enough views and you start having enough watch hour. Your channel can start having subscribers, especially now that YouTube has doubled down their monetization policy. Please, if you are yet to monetize, don't sleep on this video. Ensure you watch this video to the end so that you can start posting your videos at the right site and then monetize your channel very fast. Note, everyone have their own peculiar active posting time. Yes, my own time is not the same time with yours. Now imagine me posting my videos around 2 a.m. in Nigerian time and I'm in Nigeria. Will that video go viral? Will that video perform better? Who are those people that watch that video? As of 2 a.m. at night, everyone is sleeping. There is a particular settings that I use to check when my fans are active online. Yes, to check my own active posting time, and that's what I want to teach you in this video. And this is not the normal chart that you people know. No, this one is totally different. Now for you to know the right posting time for your own channel, there are two settings that will make use of in this video. Number one setting is on your YouTube studio dashboard. So we are going to log into your YouTube studio dashboard. All right, then after that particular setting, it will now bring us to the second setting. All right, so please do not skip any part, because if you skip any part you might not see results. So do not skip any part. At the end of this video, you should start having viral videos on your channel. All right, so let's go. Open your Chrome browser or your Safari, then click on new tab and then type YouTube Studio. All right, then click on YouTube Studio and click on this sign in and then input your YouTube email and password, your YouTube email and password. Then click on continue to studio. All right, then it will bring you into your YouTube Studio dashboard, and then when you look up by your right hand side, you're going to see all this icon where you can see the first search icon, the other one. Now click on this one that look like star there. That icon, it look like star. That icon is called Ask Studio. Click on it. Now come down to this place where you can see ask something. Then you are going to type this. You are going to say, what is the best posting time for my channel? Do you understand? Now I am saying my channel because this is my channel. What is the best posting time for my channel? So if I were you, I'll just go ahead and minimize, log into your own studio and follow me step by step, please, so I can get the best posting time for your channel. Now when you type what is the best posting time for my channel, you send it. Okay, now it says your audience shows the highest level of activities on Fridays during the evening. That is to say, if I post video on Friday evening, it will go viral. Yes, because my audience are more active on Friday. Now it went ahead to tell me the other time. It said secondary high activity time. These are other times throughout the week when activities is notably high. On Monday, 1 p.m. to 2 p.m, 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. Do you understand? So he's saying that now if I start posting by 2 p.m. till 9 p.m. at night, do you understand that my videos will do well because my audience are always online during that time. Then as for on Tuesday, 5 p.m, 6 p.m, and 7 to 9 p.m. in the evening, do you understand that if I post, my audience are active, they are online. So on Tuesday, you can take note of all these things, that on Tuesday is different from on Monday. The posting time, that is why I said it will just analyze everything for you and it will tell you when to post, the right time. So you tell me that on Tuesday, if I post about around 5 to 9, post will do better, it will go viral. Do you understand? Because there are people that my audience are active during that time. Do you understand? Then on Wednesday, it said 1 p.m. till 2 p.m, 3 p.m, 6 p.m, and 7 p.m, even said 8 p.m. Do you understand? It will go viral. Then on Thursday, it says 5 p.m, 6 p.m, 7 p.m, and 8 p.m. Then on Saturdays it says 2 p.m, 3 p.m, 4 p.m, and 5 p.m. Then on Sundays it says 5 p.m to 7 p.m. Do you understand? Now this particular place will lead us to the second place. I need you to pay attention, please, because I want you to get results. All right, now after you have gotten your own posting time from this place, we want to take you to another place to compare. Now if this place and the second place that we are going to give us the same result, that means is that place, that time that we'll stick to. Do you understand? Now this particular place also even said actionable things for your schedule. He said aim for the lead up, considering publishing your videos 1 to 2 hours before this peak time. Do you understand? So let's head over to the second setting. Now let's go to the second setting. You want to use this very particular time, you want to use it to go and check the other one on your charts to know if it corresponds. Now if it corresponds, you can now start posting at that time. Now one interesting part about this very feature is that you can even use this feature to do other things on your channel, and you can even tell it to suggest video idea for you. You can even ask it that how is my channel performing, so you can just go ahead and make use of this very feature. I know most of you don't know about this, right? Now that I've shown you, you can start making use of it because it's very okay. All right, let's get to the second set. Now I need you to come to your YouTube studio like this, your YouTube studio. Just click on it and then you click on audience. Look at audience at the top, so it will bring you to this interface here. It will bring you to this interface, this place when viewers are on YouTube. You can see Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Do you understand? Now you can see this 00 time. This one is 12 a.m. at midnight. The 00 is 12 a.m. at midnight. Do you understand? Then you can just follow it. The first line now 12 a.m, second line 1, and third one. That's how you be counting it. Do you understand? If you look at this chart now, you see that some lines the purple are light, while some lines the purple are thick. Those things that are thick, those ones that are very thick, it is the most active time on my channel when my audience are online. So if I post my videos by this time, but according to this chart, my videos will go viral. My videos will perform better because immediately I post my video, I will see people that will immediately watch that video and engage on that video. And now the first 3 seconds of your video matters a lot. Now if people do not watch that first maybe 10 to 15 minutes of your video, believe me, that video, YouTube will not even distribute that video at all. So you can come here now and study. So anytime you see, according to maybe on Monday you can see my own, on Tuesday, by if I post my video if I post my videos by 3, you can see, look at the line is thick, look at that purple line, my videos will go viral. As of on Wednesday, anything from 1 up, if I post my video 1 p.m, 1 in the afternoon, if I post my video, look at when that purple line is thick, it will go viral. Friday they are not much, I mean Thursday they are not much there, but on Friday, these are when my followers are very active online. Do you understand? So please, my own time is not the same thing with yours. Ensure you check yours. Do you understand? Now you can now use this one to compare the one that your Ask Studio gave to you. That your Ask Studio, you can use it to compare the time it gave to you. You can see that, you will see that it's the same time, and then just start posting at that time. You believe me, your videos will start going viral. You will start having enough views. Please make use of this, especially now that they have doubled monetization, YouTube monetization policy, so that you can use it to accumulate your watch hour very fast, so that you can monetize your channel very fast. Do you understand? So if this video is helpful, go ahead and do what, and share this video. Please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also share this video so that other YouTubers out there will learn from it. All right, now if there is any other thing you want me to teach you, you can tell me on the comment section. I'm going to make a video and teach you how to do that. All right, so to my next, please stay connected and bye.